WooCommerce multi-step checkout simplifies the checkout process by dividing it into multiple easy-to-follow steps. First, it improves user experience by breaking the process into clear, manageable steps. And secondly, it boosts conversions. Customers are more likely to complete their purchase when the process feels simple. This is Nabila with Rex Theme, and today I'm going to show you how you can create multi-step checkout easily using Checkoutify. Try it out and see the difference. Let's get started. To use Checkoutify, you need to have it installed and activated on your WordPress dashboard. Now I've already done that, and now I'm going to show you how to create that. So when you hover over WooCommerce, you see Checkoutify in the third option here. So if I click on it, it takes me to this window. All right. So you can see that I have two checkouts created already. Now I'm going to create a multi-step checkout from scratch. So if I click on add new here and select start from scratch, I can give my checkout a name. So let's say I am naming it multi-step checkout. Then I'm going to create this checkout, and you can change the name whenever you want. All right. So you can see in the step 1, there are some options already added. So the first option is the billing section and order details and place order. So for the checkout, I want to keep these separated. So let's say in the first option, I only want to give the billing section. So I can add the step name as billing. Then what I'm going to do is delete this step, and delete this place order option as well. Now, how you can add another step is you can go to the settings and then change the single step to multiple steps. Now you can see that you have the option to add more steps here. Then if I click on the add step option, you can change the name to the second option as shipping. So what I'm going to do is go to the fields and then add shipping fields in my second option here. So now you have to add a section here. So you can add it as 2 columns or 1 column. So currently I'm going to keep it as 1 column. I will name the section as shipping and add it. Now you can see that the shipping name has been updated. Now I'm going to drop the fields here. So first name, last name, street address, apartment, country, region. You can see that you can rearrange these as well. All right. So let's say I want to take it the street address under country. I can do that. I have to add the town and region, and I also have to add the state here. Then if you want, you can also add the zip code right under the street address. Now you can see that my shipping section is done. Now I am going to add the order details option in the third step. Then what I'm going to do is add the advanced fields, additional fields. So basically I'm going to add the advanced fields. So here I want to add the order details. So let's add the section first. So now I have to give the, let's say, payment option. Then I have to give the order details option here. So the order details goes upwards. Then I have to add a coupon here. So I'm going to place it here so that if the customer has any coupons, they can apply it and the details will change right away. Then I have to add the place order options, of course. And that's about it. Now if you want, you can also change the colors. So for that, you have to go to the settings and you have to change the step designs and the colors from here. So you can change the colors as this. You can see that the name colors have been updated. Then you can change the next button color for every step. So for the first step, you can see that there's a next button. So you can change the color of that as well. You see the color has been changed. Then that's about it. Then what you can do is edit specific fields here as well. You can also change the step designs. So the current design is like this. There's an arrow sign. You can change it to check sign, or you can add a parameter here. So that's about it for the field settings. If you go to the fields, you can edit each field however you want, but for now I'm going to keep it as it is. Then in the settings, I'm going to set this as my default WooCommerce checkout. So once I do that, I'm going to update it, and then let me show you how this looks in the front end. So I already have something in my cart. So proceed to checkout, and you can see that my multi-step checkout has been updated here. So I can update the details here. So to go to the next section, you can see that I have to give some name. So let's fill out the fields. So now it takes me to the shipping field. Now I have to update here. I'm going to keep the same things. Now I can add it here. So if I want, I can add a coupon code, or I just can place the order. Now you can see that my order has been completed and I have not gotten distracted while filling up my details. So that's how easy it is to create a multi-step checkout using Checkoutify. So if you have any questions regarding this, feel free to reach me out in the comment box. I'll see you in my next video. Take care.